Are you stuck with obsolete products cluttering your Odoo dashboard because the delete button is hidden? Learn the exact 8 clicks to remove any product in under 2 minutes. We'll walk through the products menu, locate the gear icon, and confirm the deletion so you can clean up your Odoo store in seconds. First, navigate to your Odoo homepage, where you can see all your available apps and get your bearings. Then, click on the Sales app to open it up and start working with your products. Once you're in the Sales app, head to the top bar and click on Products. That opens the Products menu, so now click on Products again to bring up your full product list. Now, find the product you want to delete in that list and click on its name to open it. With the product open, look for the small gear icon at the top left, right next to the product's name, and click it. From the menu that appears, go ahead and click Delete to begin the deletion. You'll get a confirmation prompt, so click Delete once more to confirm, and the product is deleted. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.